Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice President of the Uganda Musicians Association, Abayimbi Bogedde.
I, Tugume Wycliffe, aka Abayimbi Bogedde, do swear in the name of Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of Vice President of the Uganda Musicians Association and will, to the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of the Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
By virtue of the authority entrusted upon me as the patron, I hereby hand over to you the Constitution and the bylaws of the Uganda Musicians Association. May the Lord Almighty bless you.
Vice President. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the Secretary of the Uganda Musicians Association, Fina Mugiran Masanyarazi.
I, Fina Mugera, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office Secretary of the Uganda Musicians Association and will, to the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of the Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
By virtue of the authority entrusted upon me as the patron of the Uganda Musicians Association, I hereby hand over to you the Constitution and the bylaws of the Uganda Musicians Association. May the Lord Almighty bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Treasurer of the Uganda Musicians Association, Renan Narumansi.
I, Renan Narumansi, Uganda sweetheart, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of finance of the Uganda Musicians Association and will, to the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
By virtue of the authority.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Assistant Treasurer of the Uganda Musicians Association, Big I.
I, Manja Ibrahim, aka Big I, do swear in the name of the Almighty Allah that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of Finance Department of the Uganda Musicians Association and will do the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of the Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
King Michael.
I, Mugwanya Michael, aka King Michael, do swear in the name of Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of dance representative of the Uganda Musicians Association, that I will, the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
Gentlemen, the representative of Band and is one of the advisors on the Uganda Musician Association Committee, Grace Sekamati.
I, Grace Sekamati, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of the band representative of the Uganda Musicians Association. And I will, to the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
Ladies and gentlemen, representative hip hop, Victor Kamenyo.
I, Katongole Derek, aka also known as Victor Kamejo, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of the hip hop representative of the Uganda Musicians Association and will to do the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of Uganda Musicians Association. So help me God.
Gentlemen, the representative Kadongo Kamu, Uganda Musicians Association, Vincent Segawa.
I, Master Vincent Segawa, do swear in the name of Almighty God that I will faithfully and diligently execute the office of the Uganda Musicians Association and will, to the best of my ability, honor, preserve and protect the Constitution of the Uganda Musicians Association. So help me.